Hey everyone, it's time for your weekly ecosystem and crypto market update. This week served up a mix of sharp movements and underlying shifts that could shape the coming months. On the positive side, institutional flows remained strong and regulatory clarity in key markets gained traction. On the flip side, concerns around monetary policy and macro risk triggered a pullback that reminded investors just how fast things can swing. Starting with the market action, Bitcoin slipped below the $110,000 mark after a wave of caution swept through markets. Ethereum also pulled back, trading in the 3,900 range as the broader crypto market cap dipped under $4 trillion. But it wasn't all one-directional. Earlier in the week, many top coins registered gains, and 90 of the top 100 assets were up in one session. The sentiment gauges moved into the cautious zone as leverage reset and investors absorbed fresh catalysts. Big ticket moves popped this week. The Changpeng Zhao pardon saga triggered renewed attention on the nexus of politics, crypto, and regulatory openness. Also, the application for a staking ETF for Ethereum by BlackRock is entering a key window that could alter how institutional investors access ETH. Banks are edging into crypto finance more visibly too, with plans to allow clients to use BTC and ETH as collateral for loans. These structural moves suggest we're not just trading from one headline to the next. The plumbing of the system is being upgraded. On the macro side, the spotlight was on the Federal Reserve and trade diplomacy. The central bank surprised some by cautioning that a December rate cut is not a given, and the position on quantitative tightening remains uncertain. At the same time, the upcoming U.S.-China trade round and major tech earnings loom large as possible triggers for renewed risk appetite. In effect, the market is waiting to see if liquidity conditions ease or remain constrained. That waiting game can keep crypto in a holding pattern or set the stage for a breakout. For Bitcoin, the key is whether the 105K, 110K zone can hold firm and form a base, or whether we risk a further dip toward 100K if macro headlines sour. For Ethereum, reclaiming $4,200 with ample volume would be a constructive sign. Keep an eye on the Fed's tone more than just the rate number. Also monitor ETF flows and institutional lending upticks. They can signal broader participation. Any clarity from the U.S. on the staking ETF or major bank announcements on crypto collateral could shift sentiment fast. Do you think crypto is about to break out or is more consolidation ahead? Let's hear your take.